Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I clip my daughter's hair clean under this passion twist hairstyle. Now if you're interested to know how I keep her hair clean, keep watching to the end. Now let's get started with this video. As always, I love to do pre-poo, so this is nothing different here too. We are going to be doing a pre-poo. I already posted a video how I do this pre-poo, what kind of pre-poo I did. If you're interested, I'm gonna link it above or put it in the description below. So the first thing will be to do a pre-poo on her hair. This is one of the reasons why I love this passion twist hairstyle, because I'm able to still do a pre-poo on her hair even with this hairstyle. After doing a pre-poo, now it's time to wash her hair. Now I'm going to get my shampoo and wash her hair. One of the reasons I also like this hairstyle is that I can actually shampoo her hair like normal without any problem. So I can just put the shampoo on her hair and shampoo her scalp, shampoo her hair and all of that with no problem. As you can see, I'm able to access every part of her hair. There's no part of her hair that I'm not able to access. So I really like this, that it's just like her hair. It's just like she has mini twist on her hair, but this is actually passion twist extension. After rinsing the shampoo out, I'm gonna shampoo her hair again twice. I learned that it's best to shampoo the hair twice, especially that her hair is under braids, under this mini twist. It's best that I shampoo it twice just to make sure that her scalp is really clean. If you're enjoying this video so far, please consider pressing the like button and subscribe to our channel for similar content. After rinsing out the shampoo for the second time, I'm gonna get an apple cider vinegar mixed with water and I'm going to pour it around her scalp. This will help really exfoliate her scalp, especially that I have not washed her hair for almost 2 weeks now, going to 3 weeks. So this will help exfoliate her scalp to make sure that her scalp is deeply clean. After putting this all over her scalp, I'm going to let her sit with it for about 60 seconds or 2 minutes, maximum 3 minutes. Then I will proceed with rinsing her hair out. After rinsing out the apple cider vinegar, it's time to replenish her hair, and to do that I'm going to be putting some hair mask on her hair, focusing on the end. So this is really an important part of wash day, is to make sure that we put the hair mask or deep conditioner, whatever you plan to use, on her hair. And I will put as much as I can, just making sure that every part of her hair have this hair mask. This is literally one of the reasons why I like this hairstyle, because I'm able to see where her ends are. So for me to be able to put this hair mask exactly on her ends, exactly on her hair. After putting this all over her hair, I will make sure to tie her hair up and let her sit with this for about 20 to 30 minutes. After 20 minutes or so, what I'm going to do, I'm going to rinse out this hair mask of her hair, and then we are done for our wash day routine. Let me know in the comment below if you have done passion twist on your hair, or if you are planning to do passion twist on your hair after watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider pressing the like button, share this video with someone that you know that will enjoy this video, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Bye.